Langkawi, one of the most beautiful places in Malaysia. And we are driving you through the rainforest to check out the main attraction on the island, catching the most steepest cable car in the world, visiting a sky bridge, and much more to come. Let's have a look. Hey champs, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Tag Along with Chai. We are in Malaysia on Langkawi and we're gonna take you today to the main attractions on the island. Behind us is a huge mountain with the steepest cable car in the world, and we're gonna go for a little ride. We take you to the sky bridge and we take you to the 7 wells with an amazing looking, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. This channel is based in Thailand, but we're showing you the beauty of Southeast Asia, and now we are in Malaysia for several weeks. Before we're going to travel within Malaysia, we're gonna show you the beauty of Langkawi. It feels like a theme park, like Disney World or something. We walk around. We're not doing this alone. We're doing this with Ilona.
Hi, what's happening, champs?
She's my girlfriend, and we're gonna rock the next few weeks within Malaysia. It's gonna be spectacular. Feel free to hop on board if you didn't do so yet. As you can see, we are not the only one planning to go to the sky cab, go to the sky bridge. It is busy. Ticket for the sky bridge? No helicopter. So that's also a thing, you can do a helicopter. How much does that cost? $3.99.
You can get the all activity package.
For $3.99?
One person you can get see Sky Cat, Sky Dome, Sky Rex,
but
3D Arch,
we heard somewhere
Sky Bridge, and plus helicopter.
How about this one? Can we do this one?
85 ringgit.
We do the 85 ringgit.
They include your Sky Cap, Sky Dome, Sky Ride and the 3D in 85 ringgit.
Okay, can we have 2 tickets please?
Yeah, 170.
170 baht.
Yeah.
170 ringgit. I'm keep saying baht. Sorry, we just came from Thailand, so.
With your Kolipe.
We came from Kolipe, yeah, that's right. Have you been?
170.
170. Oh. Have you been to Kolipe? You go?
My friend go.
Okay.
Last week.
Okay. What is in the Sky Rex? What can we?
Sky Ride, like the 4D movie, they have an effect also.
Can we do that here or?
Yes, here, ground.
Everything is on the ground floor? Yes. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih.
Come on.
Wow, we've got basically 4 different tickets. Are you ready? And we are not allowed to bring any plastic bottles. We didn't know that, so just in case you're coming as well to this park, no plastic bottles allowed in the sky cab. A little hack here, we asked to go alone, and if there's no one standing in the line, you can actually get your own private cable car. So we're doing this. Oh wow, and we're going quick, off we go. Wow. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So apparently there are 3 sections, and this is the first one, but the second and the third one are gonna be really steep. That's why it's the steepest cable car in the world.
It's so quiet as well.
Yeah.
And can you imagine the bottom of being a glass?
Yeah, this is also possible. But
Not for me though.
No, but this is already scary enough, but at the same time beautiful and peaceful, because listen to this. I turn the volume up. Birds. Yeah, birds. You can hear birds. Wow. Saya sayang Malaysia. Oh, and this is the one. I didn't even know you could see it from here.
Oh, cool. We're going there later.
Yeah. We're lucky enough that we chosen to just wait. Whoa, this is scary. Where are we going? Whoa, we're going up and down, left and right. But yeah, it's definitely worth to wait. We waited about 5 minutes before the line was gone, and now we're just us, you know? And we're super happy that you're watching right now, and there's a lot more to come. The Sky Bridge is gonna be epic. It's gonna be a 125-meter suspension bridge, a bended suspension bridge. Ilona, I know you're afraid of heights. How do you feel How do you handle?
I'm not very comfortable right now, but
No?
it's beautiful.
You're
so.
holding, I see, you're holding your hand like this. Nothing's gonna happen, Ilona. Nothing's gonna
You
happen.
never know.
I'm here. I'm here. I wouldn't let anything happen to you, Ilona.
Aww.
Waving, hey. This is the steepest part of the cable car. Our ears are popping. You okay? Wow, now we're going really steep. That last bit is like maybe a 60-70% climb. This is ridiculous. In a good way though. Look how fast we're coming in. Oh my god! Yes. Terima kasih. And we picked such a beautiful day. We actually went here yesterday as well, and it was a bit overcast. We were a little bit late, and we thought, you know what, we come back tomorrow, and that's right now. It is happening. So worth to wait. They're making an eagle nest over there, which is not finished yet, but it's going to be there as well. Maybe when you come and visit Langkawi, it will be ready. It looks like it's going to be not long anymore. And I'm also thinking these guys are working really hard, and they are having the coolest work environment ever. Wow, look at you being all confident. Woohoo! And we've got in our private gondola again. Put your hands up.
In the air, put your hands up in the air.
Wow, whoa. I come sit next to you.
No, stay there where you are.
Ik ga wel even naast zitten hoor. Wow. I think this is the most beautiful part of the ride. Looking over the forest, the sky bridge, and you got this amazing view. Okay, we're here safe. There's a safety net now. We're all good. We made it. Oh. Thank you. Terima kasih. Yeah, thank you. Everyone is so friendly here.
Yeah.
Amazing. What's your name?
Anzola.
Anzola. My name is Chai.
Yeah.
And this is Ilona, Nuna.
Luna. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Earlier yesterday we went to the 7 wells and the most beautiful waterfall here in Langkawi.
You can do it in one day actually.
Yeah, you can.
We didn't.
No, we just took it easy, but you can do that as well. It's really close by the bottom of the cable car. There is a more natural experience down there. We're gonna have a little look before we meet you at the sky bridge.
For about 15 minutes, we walked over a paved footpath, passing fascinating flora and fauna. Plenty of birds we've never seen before flying in between the treetops. This is the 7 Wells Waterfall. Because it hasn't been raining a lot, there's not much water flowing down the 90-meter high falls. Nonetheless, this is a spectacular place to visit, right in the heart of the rainforest. It's called 7 Wells because of the 7 natural pools, which are also formed at the top of the falls. We would recommend you to take at least 2 hours to visit this marvelous location on Langkawi.
Definitely a must-see waterfall. But let's get back to you, Chai and Ilona up there. Woo! Wow, and that was a natural trail. Beautiful, definitely worth to stop if you're coming here to Langkawi. Champs, we are now at our main attraction on the sky bridge. 660 meters above sea level. We're gonna go take you for a little walk. It's going to be 55 meters above the ground, so pretty scary if you ask me. And I wonder what happened here, like, and how safe is this?
I put new glass in.
Ah. I wouldn't dare to step on it yet though. And Ilona is so brave because she's afraid of heights. Just walking on this bridge like it's nothing.
Please take off your shoes.
Next level. The glass bottom. Whoa, Ilona is starting already. We are doing it! On top of the world! And I think we saved the best for last. Loving the mountaintops. The crystal blue water. The sound of crickets on the background. Yes, we're not alone, but I think this is a good thing for Malaysia to get the tourists back again, especially on Langkawi, touristic island as it is. I think Langkawi is back in business as well. Wow. With the 85 ringgit, we also got 3 different entrance tickets. One for the 3D art gallery where you can just run around. There's a really big setup for another hour or so, taking pictures, taking videos, just be silly. It's nice for kids, but also as an adult, I think you have a good time. We went to the Sky Dome as well. We got the 360 view and they showed us a bit of the universe. Really nice setup, only takes 5 minutes. And we finished our afternoon with the Skyrex. This one is maybe not so good for kids. I mean, it can be really scary for kids. You get chased by dinosaurs while being driving through some spectacular landscape, helicopters falling on top of you. It is pretty scary, but a fun activity to finish the day. For the next few weeks, we are going to travel through Malaysia, showing you the beauty of Malaysia, but also showing you some lovely people that we're gonna talk to. We're doing a lot of street interviews. We're gonna get to know Malaysia a lot better. Feel free to hop on board, subscribe to the channel. And
Hey, where are we going next?
oh, we're going next to Penang. We're flying there. We're gonna have to buy some tickets. We're gonna grab some lunch at the beach right now. As I mentioned before, this channel is based in Thailand, but we're showing you the beauty of Southeast Asia, and we will be in Malaysia. I would like to announce the champ of the day. The champ of the day is
Chihuahua Cafe!
Thank you so much for commenting how to become a champ of the day and how to become a super champ so you can win prizes. This is all described in the description. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. Welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel. My name is Choi, this is Nuna.
Bye for now.
And stay champ.